I'm Mark Wagner from Guilford, New Hampshire. I've owned a deck house for 4 years. I moved here from Charleston, South Carolina 4 years ago and was looking for a modern home in the area and fell in love with this house. And when I had my realtor look around for this house, a modern house, he actually was able to get this house back on the market for me to buy because I just walked in and just loved it. Looking for just the modern look with just the character that it has. So I've been there 4 years and learned a lot about living in the Northeast, including some of the beauty of the deck house that I've been enjoying for the past 4 years.
My recommendation is this is going to be a lovely home. I am a sort of a modernist by tradition, not a postmodernist, and I worked in California for about 30 years. And when I saw it, I could see a lot of the influences of some of the California architects at the time, the Bay Area style, the kind of simplicity, the vertical siding, which we used, of course, up at Sea Ranch. And I don't know which came first, but I saw a lot of the Joe Esherick influence, great San Francisco architect, in the deck houses, and especially a lot with the way the light is brought into the room and things that are done to help define the space. I know they're not fully a custom home in the sense that they're panelized, but within that, there's just a tremendous diversity within it that makes it very individual.
Yeah, I found that when people walk into my house, I feel like, first of all, they're surprised how big it is because the way my house fits to the ground. I mean, it really is very unique in the neighborhood that it hugs the ground and you don't realize how big it is. But the openness that people walk in, I'm just amazed. And the views. We have lots of views. You have lots of windows looking out to the view of the lake that I have and the mountains. And people are just amazed by the space and the beauty of the place. I found I've had a lot of contractors and estimates, people for estimates out there. They all love it. And they all know it's a deck house too. And it has a lot of history in my town because everybody's worked on this house at one point in their careers. So it's been quite an experience to see people's reactions.
When children visit, they love it because the house is actually, I guess, 4 different levels, half levels, full levels, and the kids love to make this circuit throughout the house. And I think when you moved in, I had the same reaction of every space is stunning, but you're never quite sure when you go through this or down here or whatnot where you are, because it's just so stretched out, which is not necessarily, not only a deck house can do that, but it's just lovely. And I think everybody loves the spaces, the variety. You know, we've got big and then not so big, and everything is just so open.